講咩話好呢？講廣東話、華語。Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, BenSiewSharing. I'm Benjamin Siew. Today I introduce you guys the one very matured area, KL Cheras. This sub-sale unit, the price is below 1.5 million. This unit is come with fully renovated. Let's go. I bring you to guys to see and look full awning, stainless steel gate, auto gate system. Wow, really hard feeling. All this is built-in cabinet and TV rack. Everything remain because it's built-in. The dining table also is built-in, connected with island. You go to church. Broom, yeah, broom. Aluminum. Connection to our red kitchen. This unit already extend to paling belakang. Our share bath, mat room, stainless steel material. Here is got one study area. Both of this is the owner-daughter room. Frozen, fully wardrobe, built-in. Can fix even king size bed. This is boy room. Everything like master room. The room is come with balcony garden. Walk-in wardrobe, private bathroom. Convert the 2 room become 1 room. This is master bedroom. Only the certain part. TV cabinet, balcony. Oh, very big. Surrounded is wardrobe. And come with island. Here put LV bag lah. Our bathroom, who on bath? Master bath is without door. Come with jacuzzi. And we got TV to watch. Yeah. Wow. Very huge. Okay, that's all guys. If you're interested for this property, please call me or WhatsApp me for the appointment house viewing for this unit. The location is Cheras KL. Our taman is come with gated community because this is freehold individual title, not strata. So just gated community.